Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel guys. So today guys, I'm happy to finally purchase this. But supposedly I want to purchase this in B&M, but I didn't. I went to B&M today, to Home Bargains, Lidl. I purchased it in Lidl. But before that, yesterday, I went to TK Maxx and Zara. We have Zara. Alex, I'm doing some live. If you want, you can show them. Sit down here.
That's not live.
So,
not my channel.
I mean, I'm doing my whole. And then
Why
Primark.
not my channel?
Alex, sit
Why
down
not my
later,
channel?
after. Okay, so anyway guys, let's start with TK Maxx. Because I went to TK Maxx just to film, and then I saw this sell items. So this is really cool. This is really nice. I'm very happy. I don't want to shop so much because I have many things already. If you will see my Christmas tree, I have gifts already, and still I need to wrap more gifts. It's still not complete, but I have already more. And I grabbed this in TK Maxx. This is for my... Actually, I feel like this would be for my son's birthday gift. Because I purchased, remember last time I purchased from JD Sport, right? So this one is really, really nice. Because it's only £15, guys. In JD Sport, the one I purchased, this is together, yeah. This one with this. Yeah, it's £15. Let me double check. Yeah, I think so. Let me check the receipt. Yeah, it's £15. So the one in JD Sport is £25. So yeah, look, imagine. So you can really sometimes save if you buy in advance. So this is 7 for 7 years old. Yeah, so this is for my son because he's doing some football. Next is this. Look at this. This is, look, Nike. And yeah, I purchased it advance also. This is for 10 to 12 years old. Oh, wait. I'm low, but I need to charge. I forgot. Wait, guys, because I forgot to charge my other phone. I'm doing something also with my other phone. Okay, I didn't notice it. So I'm low but there. So maybe I'll just I'll just add it. Yeah, okay. I'll just add it. Then this one. Yeah. How much I purchased it? Oh, £4. Yeah, this is this is £4 only. So that's the reason. So I don't know, what do you think? It's good? Good bargain, yeah. For me, it's good bargain, £4 for this. Okay. And the next is this one, another Nike. But this one, this is for 8 to 10 years old. I always purchase advance for my son. And this is £6. So I don't know why it's a bit more expensive. Okay, this one.
You should add the fee, mommy.
And then, oh, I purchased this wallet in TK Maxx. This one, it's because it says genuine leather. So I hope so. There's no branding, or no, there is Brampton. It's £50. Then they sell it £10. What do you guess? And it's just so simple, but I'll need something for the coins. And also they said RFID protected. So yeah, I don't know why my phone is still not charging. So yeah, this is very, look at
It might not be plugged.
maybe.
Is it plugged?
Yeah, for the back. I plugged it in the back.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's still not charging, so let me
I don't
check
really
it, guys.
think you should plug
Maybe
in the
my
back.
charger is the problem. Okay, and then that's it. Actually, this one is from Primark. It's here because that time I went to TK Maxx, Primark, and Zara. And then in Zara, this one, this is only one. And
No, still.
you know what? I like white and black trouser. I just have one.
I like red and
One
black.
and yeah, something.
I like
So
red and
anyway,
black.
this one, it's 28 pound. This is crop flare. Look. So I don't know if I tried it actually. Wait guys, I tried it actually and it's pretty nice. I just hope that I will not get bored of it. It's because most of my trouser that I'm wearing is white, black, so that is the problem. Yeah, but look at, it's not so long. So this is like, because I'm just 5 feet, so this one is really just enough to me, and it's a bit stretchable also.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, because you cannot find something, and I like the color. It's not so bright, I mean not so blue. Something like that. So I don't know, comment down below if you think it's nice. But I just grabbed it because now it's autumn, and then I noticed when it's raining I don't want to wear white. When it's raining I wear black. I purchased last time in Zara black, but I didn't like it actually. It's just 19 pound or 20 pound, but I didn't like it. It's because it's like I feel like I'm in the office and there's no pocket. Actually, that is the reason also, there's no pocket. Because sometimes I just want to go out without my bag. But yeah, this one. And then in Primark is this bra. Yeah, remember one last time I purchased, and then this is so comfortable, so I grabbed again another one because it's really comfy guys. I like it. It's just how much is it? 6 pound, and they call it smoothing bralette. Yeah, especially for winter I like it, so comfy. During summer I like have like something like this, like tube. So, and then this one, another trouser for my son. I explained last time why I'm buying trouser in Primark. Aside from it's $3.50 only, it's like more durable for me than Matalan and Morrison's. Yeah. And this is 3 pound. It's so cute. It's 5 pound. Oh, it's so nice to write when your notebook is like that. You know, when I'm like in my teenage or when I'm like in primary, I really love when my mom buy for me like this, which she doesn't really that much. But yeah, I like it. It's so fluffy. And then we go to B&M, Lidl, and Home Bargains. This is like mixed because I put everything in one bag. So this is 2 of this is from B&M. You know why? Because it's like 9 pound for 2 or 10. Yeah, 9 pound for 2. And I have many plants, so I always grab it in B&M because I cannot find in Sainsbury's or something because it's not summer anymore. And just in B&Q and B&M, especially winter like that, they still sell. And then this plant, oh my god, I forgot. I cannot carry it, but it's so beautiful, guys. Oh my god, I need to hover now. This is only 15 pound in Lidl. Actually, today I went to let me cut it to see how it is. I went to B&M today just to buy this, and then when I went there I said I don't like it a bit so much because it's like a bit dry already. So I said, okay, I know I came here for this, but I cannot buy it also, and then I'm not really that happy, you know. But this one, oh, it's so pretty. But this one, actually I'm so lucky because when after that I went to Lidl. It's not so perfect actually. It's not perfect, but still better. Oh, you cannot see, guys, sorry. Like that. It's not so perfect, but better than the one in B&M because Oh, look at that. I don't know where to put
Oh, I
it.
thought that was
In my room
Mummy.
or here. But maybe here.
Mummy,
Let me see. Yeah.
I thought that was from B&M.
Yeah, because we saw it in B&M, yeah? And then
Yeah.
I bought this in Lidl. And it's even cheaper. It's just, oh, it's so pretty. Maybe just here.
Live.
Yeah.
Live now.
Okay, I'm almost done. And oh, look at that.
Yeah,
It's
it
so
looks like
pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going here. Oh, by the way, oh, we have Argos also, guys.
Argos.
So this one is Argos.
Yes,
I
yes,
purchased
yes.
this ink. It's because it's cheaper right now. They have like red 20. So I got discount £7 for this. And then I also have the 1 terabyte memory card. It's cheaper in Argos than in Caris for this. And Caris they don't have actually also.
Broken for it.
And then this. Oh, this one. This is an external hard drive which I need because I have so many videos, pictures and everything, and I need something to store it. So sometimes I don't want to just, you know, delete it. Oh, by the way, this box is from B&M. In Home Bargains, they have also boxes, but I prefer the B&M because their cover is more durable and cheaper. But mostly it's because it's more durable. The one in Home Bargains, it's a bit weaker and then sofas become damaged. But this one don't become damaged that much. And then this is from Home Bargains. Just I need always paper bag or something for birthdays. This one, I don't know where I bought it. I just saw it actually in the car. I think this is in Poundland. I purchased it. Or B&M. Or I don't know, but I just purchased it. This one is Home Bargains. Just bag. And then another Dove. Because I like it. It's so good smell. And then Promel. This Promel is cheaper in Home Bargains. Most of the time they don't have this, but this time they have in Home Bargains, Alex, and it's cheaper. Because in Boots, this is $2.50, and in Home Bargains, it's just $1.80, $1.75. Like that, so even cheaper. My son loves it. And then Home Bargains.
I don't like the taste of it. I only like the strength
so good
of the
smell
power.
also. So this one is from. You can remove it. Okay, it's so cute.
Maybe for a girl, Mom.
Yeah, it's for a good girl. So good smell.
But they would like it, Mom.
Yeah, they will like it. Oh, it's so cute. Very, very cute. I really like this kind of the notebook. Yeah, I really like it.
It's a notebook.
Oh my god, what happened to this? All my pens. Oh, it's all here, guys. All my pens. Okay, it's not. I thought there's like smell of it, which is good smell. Okay, so this one, pens. I love pens. Need to fix it. Oh, this one is in B&M. Wireless motion activated ceiling. I don't know where to put this. I'm thinking in my son's room or toilet or somewhere or in the shed. This is what I'm thinking, shed or toilet. You know, because this is motion detector.
Toilet.
And then B&M.
What is it again, Mommy?
And then Alex, actually I purchased this, Alex. Maybe this is the one that your teacher wants, yeah? Highlighter, is it? The one they are using now?
No, but
Highlighter.
they're using like that, but on the like green on paper, not
Okay,
that
you
brand.
are in the camera.
Well, not that brand, Mommy, so not
Okay,
really.
that
Not
one.
really. You can get like another company. That's one of the ones they use.
Happy
but
Lovely.
I didn't need that one.
This is some
I need the other
B&M.
ones like they teach the kids with.
I
Mommy.
feel like I bought more. And then this one is a card from, I think this is Home Bargains. Yeah, Home Bargains, this one. I also purchased in B&M, this one. Ah yeah, this one is in B&M. I don't know, guys, because I have here always a birthday card so that I don't need to like when there's a party, at least I'm ready. So I have many for girls and this is for boys. I need more. Art therapy. If you want for therapy. I like to do this to relax my mind. You know, it's in Home Bargains. It's very cheap. And then this one, if you are a planner like me, this is really nice and not expensive. And then this cable clips, because I have many cables, I need to fix it. I grabbed one in B&M because I just want to check what they have. And then this is hanging dehumidifier. I don't know, I just thought to grab it. And then this one. What is this? Why is like this? Gold and marine collagen. Oh, okay, it's not ready. Or ready, I don't know. Why it feels like it's not something. Yeah, like that. I feel like this is new in Home Bargains. And then tissue. And then some tape. I forgot to buy the bigger tape. And then rubber band for record. I'm doing some records, guys. I have so many recording to do. And jalapeno. You know what? I have many in Lidl. I purchased mostly salmon, beef, chicken cubes, coffee, and I don't want to show you, and many fruits. And then because you know it's too much, but if you want to see what I purchase weekly, I go to supermarket 2 times a week. So yeah, so if you want to see it, just comment down below. If you want to see my grocery haul, I can do that also. And last but not the least is this Spider-Man. It's because it's good for storing things also. Yeah, and it's durable. So yeah, that's the end, guys. I need to keep this for my son. I think I like it a lot actually, but I need to clean it because look, I need to wrap it also for him. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time. Bye.